Welcome back to Supply Chain Weekly. I'm James. Set your eyes on beautiful Breckenridge, Colorado. In the summertime, it plays host to biking, hiking, and various other outdoor activities. But Breckenridge is primarily known as a winter destination, given its massive ski resort, a playground for skiers and snowboarders alike. Yes, over the years, Breckenridge has built its backyard playground. From everything old, such as the Colorado Super Chair, Chair 5, and the ski school, to everything new, like the gondola, hosting the Dew Tour, and our subject of today's Supply Chain Weekly, One Ski Hill Place.
So that particular project was in the tens of millions of dollars. It was over $100 million project, $120 million project total. And there's 92 units, and they average out about $2 million a unit. So when it's all said and done, Skier's going to make $80 million profit. That's pretty good for 4 years of work.
Speaking was Jeff Zimmerman, who has overseen almost every project to take place on Breckenridge and Keystone Mountain.
And then the supply chain in that particular scenario is all the components that go into building a building. Tile, wire, paint, drywall, roofing material, lumber, concrete, stone, rock, masonry, wire, gas lines, plumbing lines. I mean, just the materials coming in was just dozens of trucks at a time were rolling in at that site.
Every little piece has to be considered. But an important lesson here is that a supply chain doesn't need to limit itself to just inventory. It's everything that gets a project done.
When I hear supply chain, I think more like a grocery store, to be honest with you, or like a restaurant. And where do you buy your napkins and your chicken and chairs? My supply chain was the consultants and the raw products and the contractors and the plans and the permits is also a part of the supply chain to actually get the work done. The architect, that's part of the supply chain. He provided a product to us, as opposed to something like, for example, a grocery store where the supply chain is the many vendors for lettuce and hamburger, et cetera, et cetera.
In total, it took 4 years to build One Ski Hill Place, from planning to permits to construction. Different phases of the project required coordination with different suppliers. Those suppliers sometimes provided inventory, and they sometimes provided a service. All of it is part of a well-integrated supply chain at Vail Resorts. Thank you for joining us on this edition of Supply Chain Weekly. Tune in next week. Thank you.